All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are taking a look at a showing here. So this consists of pyrite. Chalcopyrite is your lesser sulfide, and you can see you have a schistose rock with little bits of quartz veins, and you have disseminated mineral all throughout. So what we're doing here is we're going to be taking a couple small chip samples and seeing what we get out of those. This is a known showing to us, it's not a new one, so we're just going to check it out a bit further, see what our next options are. So you can see the massive sulfides, and you can see how they run parallel with the face of your rock, and small stringer veins running this way. So you have a whole lot more over here as well. So, and this continues in a zone all the way down here, and it's exposed on the other side of that outcrop right there. Alright, so you have a vein there. You also have a small vein right here, as well as amongst here. You can see it's exposed up here. So this area right here is where we're going to be taking our first sample, and we'll take one off the rock face back here behind us. So here's some more sulfides. So your zone dives down underneath your overburden over there. Alright, so this is what we want right here. You can see deteriorated quartz in there. So this is probably a good enough sample right here. Alright, so we took a little bit more off that vein just in case. Catalog the rest. Now let's take another sample. So this is going to be our second sample location, just along here. Chip away some of this. Won't need much. Alright, so we got a hunk right here. We'll break this open and probably use this. Came from along here. Here's a couple more samples off there. Alright, so here's another piece. A couple more. So you can see the silvery looking metal, that's your pyrite, and then your chalcopyrite right there, lesser amounts. Down here, this is actually just oxidized pyrite. Alright, so we got our 2 samples, and we'll post the assay results after, so stay tuned for that.